How blind?
No way. He just can't keep getting away with it. No, let me die again. I want to go back to watching that.
I'm telling you.
This is the greatest thing I've ever seen. I can't play house anymore.
What was I even playing this game for?
Yep.
Oh, pink fell.
No! What's happening down here? Can you build a nest? Wait, there's one coming down! Oh!
They drop. Oh, they're dead.
Another one! Blind!
Hey, thanks for
You
subscribing to
can't
the
see.
broadcast.
Oh, he's gone. Wait, the money gone.
Steal.
He's half. Never mind,
Nice.
that's not the dude.
Way to go. Yoda can't see.
Just looking at a black screen, guys.
It's just black.
Oh, there it is. Fucking crazy.
Sleeps my boy.
You got good game selection.
Yes, the finest. My connoisseur.
Oh, that guy's won. I could've. Oh, I'm getting beamed. Oh, Yoda can't see.
No!
Oh.
Oh my god! I just fucking hand delivered that to him. Oh my god!
W going?
Sorry, I didn't mean to put you on the spot there, Timmy. I really do want to welcome you in. I appreciate you coming by the broadcast today and choosing twitch.tv/NeonGutzz for your drops. That's just, there's a whole broadcast board, and I get in trouble if I say the wrong shit or if I fuck it up. And so we're doing our best here, but
Welcome in.
oh, that kill was for you, Timmy. That's for all the trouble, the pain. Oh, the flashbang. Let them know who they're fighting. That's an Embark partner right there. Coming around. Oh my god, he's got the KS. Oh shit. He's blind again. Bro can't see shit. All for you, Timmy.
We were just playing with that guy. Oh, they dropped it down.
Oh, I just... I in the right place? Yeah, okay, I killed the pink. I killed another pink. Killed all the pinks.
All pinks are dead. Ceiling. It's been kind of fun. Okay. Kinda though, just kinda.
I just killed Danny finals.
Oh, Danny! Danny! Come back home, Danny. We miss you. Please.
Oh my god, I'm popping off.
Heavy's down. I'm gonna die. Thank you for saving me. I got a sword guy reviving on my body. He's weak. Not that guy.
Heavy was around them.
Wow.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh my god.
W defense. That was crazy.
No way. I can't focus on the not priority. Kaleido.
Good job, Pip.
I didn't actually expect him to go through. That's wild.
See that gateway? Sleep? I triple gatewayed him and I don't even know how. You wanted that double barrel or what made you want to do it this season? Good quote.
Did you just shoot that and it exploded
Listen,
on
actually,
you?
you scared me. For the return of the broadcast, we're right here. Okay, we need to think about our moves before we just jump right in there. Look before you leap. All right, but I don't want them to be able to see it. I want them to need eye wash stations. Oh. Okay, well, they're not gonna expect this move. Oh. Oh. Okay. That was a questionable RPG. They're low in there. Come on, please. Please. Get in there and chop them up!